Bilis, ang bilis pagbalik nila, boss, no? Parang ano, nagsasummarize pa lang ako ng ano nangyari. Ang gusto mo rin yung boss, bili mo na lahat ang gusto mo. Dapat deserve na yan. Dapat i-reward mo yung sarili mo, boss. Nakita niyo ba yun, guys? Si Boss Mike rin nagbibenta kay Madam. Meet halfway tayo sa 47. Ito, surprise gift. Deal? Ganda ng bahay ni mo, boss, na mataan mo agad eh. Ganda uso ngayon yun eh. Ganda, boss. Bagay sa lamay din, boss. What's your size, boss? 9.5? 9.5 yun, boss. Ako, ang hirap agad ng B1 ngayon, boss. Ang gusto mo rin yung boss? Bili mo na lahat ang gusto mo. Dapat deserve na yan. Dapat i-reward mo yung sarili mo, boss. Sige, boss, pick mo, boss. Boss, upo ka. Kaya ito ka enjoy our couch. Kasama yun sa price. Pinayara mo, boss. Bili mo na, boss. Maraming salamat, boss. Thank you. Boss, what's your name pala? Archie po. Archie, nice to meet you, boss. Archie, nice to meet you. Boss, while you're waiting, you want coffee? Free lang to, boss. Baka parang beer first.
Coffee or matcha, boss?
Matcha. Okay lang, boss. Whiskey. Water, boss. Baka mag-ikot ka pa para lang ano ka, refresh ka. Okay lang, okay lang. Oh, baka may gusto ng coffee ni kasama ka, boss? Yes, boy. Yung white yung boss, nandun din. Nandun sila sa main store. Ay, ayun sila. Baka hinahanap ka, boss. Madam, water niyo po. Para po.
Ay, BPI si Bossing.
Boss, may 0%.
36 months yan, zero.
Boss, maramdaman yung bossing. Sir Archie, maraming salamat po. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, boss. Madam, salamat po.
Ano mo na, paper bag namin, boss.
Oh, boss. Ano yun, para ma-entice ka maglagay pa ng iba. Okay guys, I was just saying earlier that we're at around 200,000 kanina, so now we're at 245. The days is starting.
Saan mo, Bo?
Cheque!
Cheque yan.
Nalibayan ako sa mga cheque. Ito nakatingin sa'yo, Bo.
Nakatingin sa akin?
45,000 pesos na cheque. Invite si customer ng check kasi nag-pre-order siya ng 9 V1 black size 12. So, ayan, 45,000. Earlier, we were at 245,000 plus another 45,000 na we're running at sales at 290,000. So, yun, abangan natin kung hanggang kailan, hanggang magkano tayo today yung sales natin.
Ayun, bumalik agad.
Babayaran mo na, boss, ng ano, ng in full? Pwede down payment lang, boss, eh. Full na. O, sige, full na. Size 9, I think, our selling for this, boss, normally is 50 na gonna give it kay boss ng 40,000. That's the best discount I can give you. Bilis, ang bilis sa pagbalik nila, boss, no? Parang ano, nagsasummarize pa lang ako ng ano nangyari. Hindi yan, boss, agad yung alam natin, ha? Safari. Thank you, brother. Salamat. Good choice. Good
Sir.
choice, sir.
Ingat po.
Thank you po, thank you. So guys, nag-outro pa lang ako, nag-kwento pa lang ako na nangyari today. So nag-decide na rin to buy, sana mo na hindi paid in full. We sold this for 40,000 lang guys. Napakagandang pair, the Safari colorway.
Bo, magkano na?
Ayun, so di ba kay Sir Brian, he bought the 36,000, so that's gonna be 290 plus 36,000, that's gonna be 325,000 sales for the day. Plus the Salomon Safari colorway, so we're at 340,000 tayo running so far. Mahaba pa ang gabi. Tara guys, let's go!
Isuot ni Sir Goyard.
Suot ni Sir yung Belvedere! Hey! Ganda oh. Ganda ng kulay ng Sir Boss, yung dami naghahanap. Yun ang kulay. Oo, yun ang hinahanap ng mga customer. Naku, yun na.
Ayun yung boss yung sinad ko sa'yo. Pwede i-fit yan, boss.
Out of the cloud solar releases, actually, that's the pinakamahirap makuha. Yung black and white, we can still source and we can still do pre-order for any size. Yan, wala natin sa daily sizes namin. Try mo, boss. Lakad-lakad mo, boss. Kumusta-usap yung sakto. Ang neutral color kasi siya, ganda, diba? Gusto mo ng fit both pairs, boss. Parang ito mo nagtatay. Okay na yan. Imagine mo na. Nakikita ko ng bibigyan. Medyo mataas lang yung serving niyan, boss. I'm not sure kung na-share ni Nestor. Mas mataas lang naman yan eh. Retail cost.
50 po.
Pero kung hindi ko sino boss mag-boss. Bigyan mo lang ako. Tulungan mo lang ako, boss. Ano tingin ng permission? Ayaw mga glance di boss Michael. Alam mo na yan eh. I've been there. Better to ask forgiveness, boss. Para mas madali ka niyo matawarin na mas nandun pa sa spirit of forgiving si Madam. Spirit of understanding. Kung pinapadalangin ko yung kay Lord eh. Ayun pinapadalangin yung wife ko sa sabi ko, Lord, please give my wife patience.
Baka ako'y maging pasyon.
Wala na yung
Pinahingalo ko.
Hindi ko na kailangan i-sales stock. Nakita niyo ba yun guys? Si Boss Michael rin nagbibenta kay Madam.
Kasi kung pupunta ako ng Japan, tapos pupunta ako doon sa Japan na makikita.
Yung papakita mo doon, boss, no? Iba yung lakad mo, boss, no? Papasok mo sa lawyer. Iba yung lakad mo, unang-una yung paa. After mag-church, nagikot kami kayo.
Ay, so, nakapunta niya.
Ano, ginamit.
Marami ko busog. Busog na siya.
Busog na, maganda yung ano yung mindset ba, mas open-minded. Ang benta kasi namin dyan boss 50. Let me know, how much do you have in mind? 45. Ano boss? Meet halfway tayo sa 47. I want to do 47. 47 with a surprise gift. Deal? Okay boss, deal. Thank you, maraming salamat. So I want you to open this and I want you to check it out. So this is a gift. Tingnan mo lang boss, tingnan mo lang. Sana magamit mo kasi magti-trip key. Boss, maraming salamat. Thank you. Okay boss, thank you.
Thank you,
Madam,
thank you.
Thank you po.
Madam,
Boss,
thank you.
Boss.
Thank you, boss. Yes, mag-block na kita sa ano. Accident ko.
Magsiset ka kasi ng picture mo boss.
Kaya mapag-ibig ko.
Aray ko. Boss, thank you. Salamat.
Ingat po kayo.
So yun guys, so kay Boss Michael, yung ano natin, Cloud Solo na nag-iisan stock, which is the dark sand or sand colorway, sold that for only 47,000 pesos. So earlier we were at 340 plus 47,000 pesos. So we're
That's
already at
387.
387,000 without counting the sales that we have dun sa main store na benta ni Franz kanina. So we're gonna check that out. We're gonna see how we did for the day. Tara, samahan nyo ako guys.
Kasama natin, tara.
And dito na tayo sa main store. Franz! And so nagtototal kami ng mga sales. Sabi mo ano nabenta mo kanina?
OBC sale also was started.
630 na. How much did we sell that?
Sold for 30,000.
30,000.
New Balance na 204.
204L, anong colorway?
Mushroom Arid.
Yung brown, yung mushroom arid, and then we sold that for how much? 11,000 pesos. So yun guys, yung sabi namin, mura na lang yung ano, NB204L. So we sold it for 11,000. What else? May isa ba?
May closer yung bagong colorway siya.
Yung bagong colorway, yun yung tawag doon. On cloud, bagong
Bagong
colorway.
colorway.
Hindi, yung on
Gusto ko yun.
cloud, yung blue ba? Ayun guys, pakita ko lang ito.
Kawaitan na lang.
Ito. Yung on cloud na Mars header to guys. So we're selling this for 13,000. Namin naman 13,000 pesos. Okay. So kanina we were at 87, pero dito sa main store we had
30?
41, 13, 11 plus 13. It's gonna be 441,000 pesos. That's how much we sold today in terms of all the products between the main store and also the prison store. So we're gonna call it a day. Sara na rin tayo. Hindi natin na-reach yung 500,000 for the day. Fortunately, ganun talaga. May mga araw na hindi ganun kadami yung benta, pero it's good enough. It's gonna pay rent, it's gonna pay the salaries and everything. So this is the life of juggling between two stores. We're gonna do better tomorrow and the next day. So ayan guys,